it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. I know you want to learn how to make money like I do. Send out an email, a bunch of money comes in, boom goes dynamite. Do it from anywhere in the world. Do it with your laptop, poolside, anywhere. I know you want to know how to do that. Watch this video. Here we go. Okay, so this is what's doing from yesterday. So I put out an email, I ran a quick little thing, and it took me probably about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. Hit the button and boom, $1,839. Ah, here comes my buddies, Nick and Kevin.
What's up, guys?
So anyway, that's what's doing. Making money poolside is, you know, making money on demand, that kind of crap. But anyway, what I'm getting at is not showing you what a great, fantastic person I am and how easy it is for me. I want to get you guys to this situation, because if an idiot truck driver like me can do it and make money on demand like this, trust me, anybody can do it. Anybody. It just takes a certain knowledge, it takes a certain education. You got to know what's going on. So I'm putting the course together. Hopefully, I don't know how long it's going to take me, but oh, here comes our guy. Hey, how's it going? Anyway, he's going to set us up with food and drinks and all kinds of shit. So that's it. This is life. All right, guys, maximum respect. See you when I see ya. Sayonara. Okay, so here's the thing. That was a video I made a while back, and I'm still doing the exact same thing. And here's what's doing. I am putting the training for email marketing on my website, the Kinghuman Elite, in the money pages. So this month, April, I just put a bunch of the email marketing training, how to do it, how to set it up, exactly what to do. This is the beginning of the training. Now this email marketing training is going to be ongoing. So this month, next month, the next month, the next month. Plus, there's a lot of other training on my website. For example, there is a platform I promote with email, and it makes me recurring income. I've done just a tiny bit of Facebook ads, and I've done some social media, free social media. I've done just a little bit on it, and it's already made me 24 grand. And I'll show you that in an upcoming video. I don't want to get too digressive here. But anyway, that's what's doing. I'm laying around in Vegas like a big chunk of tofu. Money's coming in. You know, you could have this lifestyle. You could live anywhere in the world. I could be laying on the beach in Maui. It doesn't matter. But in order to do it, you're going to need three things. You're going to need an education. You're going to need specialized training. The second thing you're going to need to do is you're going to actually have to follow through on the training. And the third thing you're going to need is persistence. Nobody hits it out of the park their first time at bat. So there it is, guys. Okay, maximum respect. I hope this gets you motivated, because there's money out there. You can fight the power and put yourself on the throne. You don't have to settle for a crappy job with somebody giving you crap all the time. You can write your own ticket, but you have to learn some things, and you have to go through the training and do the follow through, all that. Anyway, okay, enough of me. Donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Sayonara, maximum respect. Share this video and don't bug me.